Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how we can book bus on goibibo. Goibibo is an app which is facilitating with all the travel requirement like starting from hotels, flights, trains, bus, and there will be other options too they're providing. Today's video is about how to book a bus through goibibo app. For that reason, I'm on my home page of goibibo. Just go and tap on bus option here. For clicking the buses option, it will be showing from your place to wherever you would like to travel. I would like to see from Hyderabad to Bangalore, so I have given Hyderabad as from address and going to Bangalore as the to address. For which date you'd like to travel? For example, for the 30th day of June, I would like to travel, and for this reason, I'm just checking from Hyderabad to Bangalore for 30th Hyderabad what all are the buses available. If you like to book only sleeper, you can select this option. If you like to have only seater, this you can book. Similarly, AC or non-AC, you can select here itself, or otherwise the general selection will be giving all those buses which are available. Just click on these search buses. Upon just clicking on search buses, you will get several options what are the available options from here. So there will be sometimes government operated buses which will be given on top by default. After that, all those private players who are operating from this place to the destination will be shown here. If you observe, Sri Krishna Travels to starting 7:40 and morning 7 o'clock, it's reaching Bangalore, but it's costing huge 2,290 rupees for AC sleeper. So nowadays flight prices have been slightly increased. For that reason, these people are even charging high on buses too. KSM road lines is charging like this, like that. Every bus they will be operating from here will be shown here in this particular thing. Scania AC Multi XL Sleeper is costing only 1690. Similar way, Multi Axle AC Semi Sleeper is costing 950. The reasonable price. Just I click here. This is semi sleeper basically. So these are the seats available. All these seats are available. The top seats. These are the booked one already, and this would be about ladies. So women, whoever are traveling, will be indicated with this. The next seat would be obviously for the women only. So when I would like to book, I don't want to be in the front seats, so I'm just going to the last available seat. Just this I've selected and go to book now. That's all. After that, it will ask you where you would like to take your bus. So I'm just selecting it's Miapur here. And where would you like to get dropped on this bus, from the bus? So in Bangalore, I like to drop at Lalbagh. Yes. So I selected my two pickup point and dropping point, and then you have to go to continue. For going to continue, it will ask you name, age, everything. Thereafter continue for the reason, then this will be asking for the payment. Just payment, give it. That's all. The thing will be done. The bus ticket will be booked. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.